Looking for a fun and easy way to earn rewards in your free time? Look no further. In this video, I'll introduce you to a GPD website that offers the most rewarding surveys and offers. Don't miss out on this opportunity to earn while having fun. Before we jump in, subscribe and turn on notifications to never miss our amazing money-making methods. We offer global opportunities for online earning. Comment your country below for region-specific videos. Now, let's begin. Unlock endless rewards with every click. Earn while you relax. Coinsbaron.com is GPD website brings you the most rewarding offers and surveys that you can complete in your free time. Accumulate coins effortlessly and watch them turn into exciting gift cards, cryptocurrencies, or cash via PayPal. Picture yourself effortlessly accumulating passive income simply by sharing your valuable opinions or experimenting with innovative products. Begin the exciting journey of constructing a treasure trove filled with lucrative rewards and relish the exhilarating experience of transforming your leisure moments into precious coins that hold immense value. Get started with Coinsbaron in just simple 3 steps. First, sign up. It's quick, easy, and completely free. Simply provide your basic details, and you'll be on your way to unlocking a world of earning opportunities. Second, complete the offer. Once you're signed up, dive into the diverse range of surveys, tasks, and app offers. Discover engaging ways to earn money online that cater to your interests and preferences. Whether you have a few minutes or a few hours, there's something for everyone on Coinsbaron. Lastly, get paid. As you complete surveys and tasks, watch your earnings grow. Once you reach the minimum cash-out threshold, effortlessly withdraw your money through secure and convenient payment options. Don't miss out on this opportunity to earn rewards in your spare time. Sign up now and start earning with Coinsbaron. In the end, thank you for taking the time to watch the entire video. If you found it valuable and enjoyable, we would greatly appreciate it if you could show your support by giving it a thumbs up, leaving a comment, and sharing it with others. Your support means the world to us. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications to stay updated on future videos like this.